Hi guys, so good morning. I'm now here in the office and I think it's 8:59 a.m. So my work starts at 9 and this is our office. I'm working as a business development executive. And this is my colleague. And syempre, kailangan natin ng breakfast. Ito naman yung breakfast niya. My workmate is Pakistani.
That's what I'm not gonna show you. Do you wanna be shown?
Talagang sabi ko,
I'm not showing my
patingin.
face.
So, ayan. Ito naman yung reception area. And that is my friend. So, ayun. Gusto ko lang i-vlog yung office namin since this is my everyday activities. And dito po sa office namin is sinusurrender namin yung mobile namin just to avoid distractions na din from our work. So ayan, dyan namin nilalagay sa tray na yun yung mga mobile phones. So yan, lalagay ko na muna dyan. Ayan, actually tapos na yung work ko and I already went home. So we're gonna go out, me and my friends. And we're actually trying to find some place to eat because it's dinner time. So, ayan, naglalakad kami as always. Ito yung favorite naming restaurant sa Najda Street, which is called High Range. It's an Indian food. I think it's from Kerala food. And na-discover ko lang siya kasi yung mga colleagues ko favorite nila dito. So dito kami kumakain minsan. So ayun, naghahanap kami ng chicken biryani. Actually very good ang service dito. And affordable.
The chicken biryani.
At ang ganda rin ng
Paalis na kami, wala nang chicken
restaurant.
biryani.
Anyways guys, umalis kami kasi nga hindi available yung chicken biryani na gusto namin. So, yun, much better na maghanap na lang kami ng ibang place to eat.
Saan ba yung
So,
mga mall?
ang daming restaurant guys dito sa Najda Street. There's a lot of options. Kaso nga, yung nagka-crave ka sa biryani,
Gago.
ayan, dalawang yan.
Hindi, ikaw to. Ate, kasungay mo nga, oh.
Parang
Hawig mo.
cheap kasi $20 lang.
No, not that. This one, oh.
So, we're just walking.
Ay.
So, actually, meron pang isang restaurant dito na ino-orderan din namin. And, tingnan natin. Ayan, yung restaurant na
Kain
yun.
ko lang, okay naman.
It's a new opened restaurant and it's just in front of my office. So, tatry namin mag-eat dyan. And it's my first time going inside also this restaurant. Kasi nag-order lang kami dyan. And sobrang mura guys. Meron silang parang offer na 10 dirhams. Ito yung kanilang menu. So, we're just checking.
You can buy outside then we will eat here.
Ayan, Alcinara.
Why is it so quiet, kuya? Nga guys, kakain ko.
So, yun, naupo na kami. And we're still looking. Tapos yung restaurant nila guys, very bare pa. Kasi ano pa lang siya, parang 2 or 3 months pa lang na nag-uubukas. So, hindi pa siya talaga fully renovated. Pero nag-ooperate na sila. So, ayan, makikita niyo po, there's a lot of options. They also have sandwiches. And we ordered this Hyderabadi actually. Now, one of my friends, gusto niya kasi parang light meal lang. So, I think she will order some snack. So yun, wala pang laman guys. So meron siyang mga complimentary that is called the salad, the yogurt, and then the tomato sauce. Actually, ang sarap niyan. Very panalo.
Sa group natin.
So yung in-order po namin is Hyderabad Dum Biryani. And masarap siya actually. First time nilang itatry. Yan. Ako na-try ko na kasi yan. And ayan na po siya. And take note guys, it's unlimited rice. So as long as you want, you can eat the rice. Ayan. So mag-start na kami kumain. Take natin yung feedback nila. Actually, nasa loob yung chicken niya. So, panalo, di ba? May chicken na, tapos may rice pa. Tapos unlimited rice. So, talagang mananaba ka dito si UAE. Ito naman yung in-order niya na snack is French fries. It's actually pretty good. Very, ano siya, very newly cooked. Tapos ayun, kumakain lang kami. And then may free water din sila. Tapos na kami kumain and turns out nakita namin yung iba naming friends sa labas. So yun, parang greet lang kami. Usap-usap and everything. Ayan. Mga naglolokohan lang.
Kayo, ang grabe yun. Oo.
So, ayun po. Uuwi na kami sa aming bahay.
Wala siyang bubble.
Very safe naman dito kasi talagang on point ang mga stoplight.
Bakit ka na ano na...
Gabi na rin ngayon. Pero kita mo ang dami pa rin tao at saka buhay na buhay pa rin yung daan. So ayan, lalakad lang kami. And it's winter time so it's kinda cold. It's very nice na maglakad-lakad sa labas.
Give me some.
Tirahan. Kami po'y
Hindi, nice lang.
mag-elevator. Siyempre, you have to wait. At yan. Siyempre, trip-trip lang bago matulog. Ano wala pa kami magawa.
Magaga.
Oo. Singer yan.
Yung maganda yung mata. Ay, parang iba na yan. Kasi Laika.
Shakira.
Gago.
So yun, nagkayayaan nga din kami mag-video na lang muna. Since, yun. So magkakantahan kami, may mga video kami. So yun na yung nangyari for the day. After yung tulog na kami. Bye guys!